One more.
One more.
My hard drive is saying stop pressing record.
Dun 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 dun.
Guys.
What?
What?
Well, that was a bit of
Everybody
a
in
stack
admin,
kill.
and someone else reported it in front of me as just as I'd done my card.
Wait, what?
What the hell?
Yeah.
What?
There was a
Legit.
stack kill in admin. There was...
What? Wait, what? You did what?
Seriously, I came out of my card and
Yeah.
there was the dead body, and then someone else reported
I
it,
got
so
my car
reported it.
first time, so I had left.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was about to say I left too.
There was me, Lev, Lou.
I was the first one who left the room, so.
I didn't even go into admin, so what the hell's going on?
I have no idea.
There's about
Chaos.
3 of us on top of each other, and then.
Do we
someone
skip?
killed.
Because that's literally, you can't prove that.
Oh my god.
Unless you're
I
Tom.
didn't see who killed who because I was in my car. So
Exactly.
annoying.
It's impossible to figure that one out.
Uh,
Who was in there?
I'm 5th voting skip.
I feel sorry for Tom. I feel like we just pick on Tom.
yeah, Tom's not being
Okay.
able to speak this
Poor
entire
Tom.
game.
Picked on us, anyway. See? Someone, oh, that's just Luke voting me, because he's a
Looks suspicious.
idiot.
I did my card.
No! Oh well.
RideSims just killed me.
Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear, what a terrible kill that was, RideSims.
Oh.
Right
Denied.
in the passageway,
Denied.
then entered right in front of me.
Redacted.
Into,
Oh dear.
Oh god.
Yeet.
I was right in the
Wow.
middle of
Wow.
doing something too.
I deny it. It was all Pete.
Oh god
Yeah.
damn it!
Pete's framing him. Pete's
He's
framing him.
Who killed in
framing
admin?
me.
What we need to know is
Pete.
who killed in admin.
I thought we were friends.
Wow.
Not when you kill people in front of me. I mean, at least make it less obvious.
Guys.
That's how I get away with murder.
Kill
this-
Pete too.
Exactly. This is proof, guys. He just admitted it. He gets away with murder because he makes up lies about me.
Okay, with no way of murder anyway.
Are we making our own version of how to get away with murder?
Because he's too
Basically,
quick, like
yeah.
Rambo.
Plus, I don't mind throwing someone under the bus.
Yeah, I wouldn't watch this version of how to get away with murder.
Damn
Not
it.
gonna lie.
Hi, Tom.
Woo, hi. I have people to talk to.
Did you see the kill?
Yeah. Michael was brutal. Mine was right in admin in front
Yeah,
of
that was
everyone.
me. I'm sorry, Tom.
It's alright. I just wasn't expecting it because there was loads of people in admin.
That was the ploy. I didn't know Pete was there, Lev. I thought I had a
Ah.
really good kill of you,
That's why.
and I was like, oh, damn it!
I thought you did notice Pete over there, so.
No. I'd already hit kill just as I saw him, and I was like, shit. That was terrible.
What?
Insecurity.
I did notice the cameras literally went off about 3 seconds ago.
I was next to you, Jammy, so.
Yeah,
just
and
don't
I
feel-
was
I just
following.
finished my tasks for once.
Hang on a minute. I was following you, Luke, and James, and then I doubled back, and James wasn't there.
The
Huh.
cameras
Yeah,
were
that's
up.
because I was heading over to security and then I just found a body there.
Yeah, but where was I following you from?
You were over by navigation. We were all over by there.
Yeah,
The
I just done
Cameras
shields to finish my
literally went
tasks.
off about 5 seconds ago.
But I followed Luke, and then you went there. I doubled back, saw Luke was still in there, but you weren't.
I have a feeling it could be James.
Did you vent out of Nav?
No, I walked up through cafeteria.
No, because I went that way round.
Round the
I
back, you
walked.
didn't
I
go over
walked
the
through
top.
cafeteria.
You didn't
I
go
walked
over the
through
top
cafe-
because I went over the top and you was in admin the same time as me, just as I'd finished that.
No, that wasn't from admin. That was ages ago. We were in admin.
I think it might be Planky because the cameras were literally on about 5 seconds ago.
I think James.
I think it's Pete.
It's not me.
I think it doesn't matter because if it is Pete, then we're all dead anyway.
Yeah.
God damn you,
Oh,
watching
yeah.
camera status.
How did
In
you?
front of me.
I shouldn't have killed while he was on cams. God damn.
Yeah.
And then self-report it.
Who was the other one?
Yeah, definitely RideSims.
RideSims, you got him.
Oh,
so
yeah,
the,
shit.
so the killing admin was RideSims.